Hello viewers, welcome back to my GIS learning channel. In this tutorial I will show you how we can add WMS layer from Geoserver to OpenLayers. So let's start. Okay, in the search documentation type well.layer. I will use this one, well.layer.tile. Okay, here in the code, first I have to create a variable. That's a variable, and give the name. This is the suppose layer. You can give any name here. Now new, copy. You can copy this. I'm typing it here. New well.layer.tile, and within the tile layer I have to provide the source. Here type well.source to use actually this one, tile WMS. I'm copying this code and paste it here. And within this source I have to provide this parameter such as attribution. Just copy and paste it, and then I need this one, params and URL. Let's copy the URL and paste it here. URL here, URL is in string format, so I'm typing this one. This is the way you can add string. Now go to the Geoserver. Let's say I want to add this layer, so I'm open this layer. Okay, and now I have to copy this URL address from here and paste it within this quotation. After that, let's add attribution. Let's say it should be in string format. Let's say @Geoserver, and then I have to provide the comma. I have to give comma, and lastly I have to provide this parameter, params. Paste it here, and within this param I have to provide this one, layers. So copy this, and within I have to provide this as string format, so layers. And now I have to copy this one. US population. I think I'm using this one, US population, so I have to copy this layer name. This is the name, this is the layer name, so I provide this layer name. And finally you have to add this layer to map, so map.add layer, then type this one, layer. Okay, now you will see that this layer is added into our OpenLayers map. So this way you can add WMS layer from Geoserver to OpenLayers.